Ready to unlock the secret to weight loss? It's not just about dieting or exercising, it's about using your mind. Your conscious mind is the planner. It sets goals like deciding to eat healthier or hit the gym. But your subconscious? That's the powerhouse. It drives your habits and cravings, often without you even knowing it. Picture this. You're at a party, and there's a cake. Your conscious mind says just one piece. But your subconscious might be screaming, "Eat it all!" The trick is to get both minds working together. Start with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, "I can do this," every morning. Visualize your success. Imagine the healthier, happier you. This trains your subconscious to support your goals. Also, create tiny habits. Swap out soda for water, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Small changes add up. And remember, self-compassion is key. Don't beat yourself up over slip-ups. Learn and move on. So, harness the power of your mind, and watch those pounds melt away. You got this. You can get Richard Mante's weight loss book called "You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight" from his website richardmante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching.